Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm really happy. I just made 2,300 on Nasdaq at like 950. Here, I'll show you guys
We're up
two clips.
2,200. Let's see, are we gonna hit TP? 947. So we just hit TP. It's 950. As we see right there, 27. I might just get my first payout. Let me just hide my info. 23. Take profit. And that's
So
a
as you guys can see,
1 to 5.
2,300. But not only that, so I did restart my take profit as you guys seen. So we're at 27k. So if you guys didn't see the last video, go check it out. I said in the video, these markets are very volatile because of Trump and everything. So we need to adapt, tweak out a little bit the strategy and just make it better. I swear to God, if I can show you guys, I don't know where I can show you guys how much time I spent yesterday. I spent basically the whole day till like 11 p.m. on the chart, just backtesting, trying to find the best pair for now, the best strategy. Basically, I'm using still the same strategy, the same pair, just with, some adjustment. Because obviously, this is very tiny, this is what we use. This is what I use to use, whatever that means. So this is what I was using, 25 point for 50 point, And I was on the 5 minute. I mean, you guys know my strategy from now. Anyway, just some minor adjustment. 1 minute now is very clean. I backtested the whole day yesterday. I was like, please God. That's before I went to sleep. I was like, please God, just show me some results, Then today, you know what? I risked 500. I aimed for a 1 to 5, got my 1 to 5. Not only that, I can request a payout today. So I'll do a video as soon as I can show you guys me proof of getting the payout. I'll do that. So basically it's gonna be maybe at 1, 2 a.m. We'll see. But not only that, we meet the buffer, okay? So as you guys can see, as you guys seen, we made 2,300, right? The buffer for no more trailing drawdown, right? It's 1.5. So basically right now I can withdraw 800 right now. And that's me withdrawing and keeping the account alive. So no more drawdown. From there, everything that I make, I can instant get payout. That's perfect. Perfect. And not only that, 800 USD to CAD, because I'm in Canada, I'm gonna get around 1.1k, minus what they're gonna take. So it is 20%, right? So let's do 800 multiplied by 20%, 160. 640. Okay, so 640. Okay, so we're gonna get $900. First payout. It took me a year and maybe 1 month, 2 months to even get my first payout, guys. Blowing account, blowing everything. Right. As soon as I get this payout, I'm gonna know it's possible and everything is possible from there. That's just crazy. So as soon as I can get the payout, I'll drop a video, whatever time it is. And really from there, I just need to follow the rules, follow my plan, scale up, do whatever I need to do, stack up the money, and from there, it just all begins, I just want to feel the money hitting my bank account. From there, everything's possible. So yeah, we'll see when when I can drop this video, like I said. I'm really grateful, I'm really proud. You know, yesterday I could have been, when I took the L's, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blowing the account, buying a new reset. I could have been like, ah, those are just the market, you know. I'm just gonna go scroll, you know, go do whatever. But no, I sat down, backtested as much as I can, and yeah, figured it out. So I'll do a little, I'll do a little breakdown, but not going too much into details. So this is Asia high, this is London high, London low. On the 4 hour we had this gap right there. Scale down to the 1 hour. We have this right there and this one right there. So this is 7, this is 8, this is 9. We trade New York. Go on the 1 minute. So it is my first time. So like I said, I was backtesting this strategy. It's the same basically thing, just it's my first time using it in the real market and on the 1 minute. So basically right there, and on TradingView, you know, the data is delayed. So anyway, right there we fill at 9:34. I'm looking for trade after 9:30. At 9:34 we fill in this gap, then reject. From there I should have been in right away. As soon as I see this reject, I should have been in. Anyway, 1 to 5 very easy, but that's not the trade we took. The trade we took is right there. 9:42, I seen it sweep London low, then reject. From there, since we closed pretty close above, I was still waiting. 9:43 we did the same thing. From there I'm looking for a trade. 9:44 I'm in. I was aiming for a 1 to 5 because I really just wanted either I lose or either I get a payout and I meet the buffer, so no more trailing drawdown. So I was aiming 1 to 5. Got it. 9:50. So this is what, 5 minutes into the market. I got it. I was out. I was done. You guys seen the clip. And that's a good thing. I was aiming just for 1 to 5. Because as we see afterward, yeah, we just went down basically. So that was perfect. And there's more trading setups down. So 10, we confirmed the zone. From there, 10:06, I could have been in for another 1 to 2. You guys see, like, the market's moving so much that 1 to 2 is basically nothing at this point. We're getting 1 to 5 easily. So those markets either can make you a lot of money or just break you, to be honest. But yeah, basically that's the trade recap for now. We did have news. We had CPI 8:30, so that was perfect. Yeah, that's basically it.